Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Melissa here today for small group. Today for small group, we're going to be doing intentional teaching card M88 shape bingo. So here Miss Melissa today is going to explain how we're going to play shape bingo. So what you're going to need today for materials is you're going to need either Miss Melissa posted on Class Dojo a bingo card game with shapes that you can use, or you can go ahead and use markers, crayons, and paper and make your own bingo card and make your own shapes out of paper, and mom and dad can help you cut them out. All right, so today I'll be showing you how to play bingo using our shape bingo card and using my shapes that I have here in my red cup. In my cup, I have shapes that we're going to be using. So just like last week when we were doing small group, we were talking about shapes, right? We were talking about squares, triangles, rectangles, as we were trying to make the fence for the farmer in the dell. So most of you are familiar with how many sides a triangle has, how many sides a square has, how many sides a rectangle has, right? These are all common shapes that we have been learning about. So now what Miss Melissa is going to do, I'm going to show you how to play shape bingo. So what you're going to do is everybody is going to have their shape bingo card, either if you use the one that I post on Class Dojo or if you go ahead and make one at home. Then you're going to have a cup or a bag, right? And you're going to have your shapes cut out inside your bag. So Miss Melissa has a variety of different shapes in my bag. So I'm going to have squares, rectangles, triangles, circles, octagons, right? I have those shapes inside my cup. So Miss Melissa is going to pull out her shapes. I'm going to read the shape that I pulled. If I have that shape on my board, Miss Melissa is going to go ahead and place her shape on the board. Once I make a straight line going down, or once I get a straight line going across, getting 3 in a row, I'm going to shout out bingo. And then I'm going to read back the shapes that I got, and we're going to discuss how many sides each shape has, right? All right, so let's get started. Miss Melissa's going to start by pulling out her first shape. Right, what shape do you see here? A triangle. Let's look up on Miss Melissa's board. Do I have a triangle? Yes. I'm going to place my triangle on top of the triangle on my board. All right, let's do it again. Miss Melissa's going to pull out another shape. An octagon, right? I have an octagon. Let's check my board. Do I have an octagon? Yes, I do. I'm going to place my octagon on my bingo board. All right, I'm going to pull another shape. The next shape I have is a rectangle, right? A rectangle. Miss Melissa's going to check her board. Do I have a rectangle? Yes, I have a rectangle. I'm going to keep going, right? Until I get 3 across or 3 down. Let's see. Oh, Miss Melissa pulled another rectangle. Let me see if yes, I have another rectangle on my board. All right, let's see. Miss Melissa's going to pull another shape out of her cup. A square. Oh boy, I have 3 across. Bingo. Ready? I have 1, 2, 3. So now Miss Melissa is going to go ahead and share with you the shapes that I have that made me call bingo. All right, so the first shape I'm going to show you that I have here is a square, right? We know this is a square. Let's count. How many sides does a square have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we know a square has 4 sides. Let's look at my next shape that I have. A rectangle. Let's see how many lines and sides a rectangle has. So we see that a rectangle has straight lines, right? So let's count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4. So far we have a square, a rectangle, and let's see what the last one is that made me call bingo. A triangle, right? Let's see what a triangle has. A triangle has 3 sides and pointy corners, right? So let's count. 1, 2, 3. Now let's count to see how many pointy corners we have. 1, 2, 3. Very good. So we know that a triangle has 3 pointy corners. So remember, when you're playing your shape bingo game at home with mom, dad, a brother, sister, whoever it might be, remember when you're pulling your cards off when you call bingo to make sure you describe how many lines and how many sides does your each shape have, right? It's very important. So we know Miss Melissa pulled a square, a rectangle, and a triangle, right? So we know these are the shapes that were on my bingo board. All right, so now what I want you boys and girls to do is go ahead and have fun at home playing bingo. And please make sure to share your bingo cards with Miss Melissa. All right, enjoy, have fun. I'll see you soon.